Yes, people. So I second time I hear the argument to say Nikki pregnant, right? So I wanna think based on the video, wanna just see, right? But if I saw it go, more have to say congrats to her. I personally can't say she is or is not, you know what I mean? Because I don't really know. Based on what me see do, it look little bit, you know what I mean? It look like a baby bump. So that me I work with. But I want to hear your opinion as well. So welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now I know I say the Barbs them there, you saw me I say Nikki have a heap of fans. You know she always rep for the Caribbean and for Jamaica and every Caribbean island. You saw me I say Trinidad, that's where she's from. So big up Trinidad as well. But don't know say the Jamaican them love her as well too. So we always rep for her. You see what me I say? So people, me just asking from a fun standpoint, when I try to like invade our privacy, I get in our business or nothing like that. So if you think that and I'll comment that, don't bother with it. You see what I say? This is just for entertainment purposes only. So big up Nikki, you see what I say? And if it's a second baby on the way, congrats to her and her husband on that. You see what I say? Now, people, we are going to move on and we are going to talk about our local celebrity. Well, she's not really local. The Queen, Spice. You see what I say? She's international. But we just say our local celebrity because I don't know what that go. I don't have to explain that. But however, people, Cardi B did a recent interview and she said that she would do a song with Spice, but she kind of nervous about it from what I understand. I mean, I think about it, the more I think about it, I say, why Cardi with that nervous? But here we go on. Watch a small clip here, and then me I go return and tell you what I kind of think I go on with Cardi. All right, so here goes.
Team up with somebody that you like or somebody that you're a fan of.
Yeah, I always told Spice, like when I was 13 years old.
Yeah,
yes,
for sure.
I told her that like I made my dad, like I made him buy me an Ed Hardy shirt because I saw her wear and I was real old songs that it's not even on Apple Music. Like and she knows that.
Right.
I be singing them in her face.
That's what I'm saying. That's why that's
exactly,
a natural. That's exactly my point. You know?
Yeah, people, so I should clarify what I said. I said Cardi's nervous about doing a song with Spice, but that's not what I wanted to say. What I really wanted to say is that she's nervous about doing dancehall. So it's not about doing a song with Spice, right? Because that can be taken out of context, like why Cardi nervous for do a song with Spice. But it's overall, she means she nervous doing dancehall music. And I can't see where it come from because these international acts that do dancehall music, it's coming from a place of passion. Are they affiliated with dancehall music? We are talking about like DJ Khaled. He might do this out of straight love. I don't think. I might be wrong, and this is my opinion. You know what I mean? And it's kind of obvious. Like DJ Khaled, Jamaican records them when do, they're not the biggest records, but him still do them. So it not mean say him a do it for the money. He make sure say him there Jamaica every year. And we know say him started out with, dancehall music. Him used to play a fully loaded way back in the early 2000s. We are talking about 2000, 2001, maybe 99, way back, right? So that does straight love. Him just love dancehall, him love the culture, and him feel like say him just pay homage to us all the time. So, you know what I mean, him do it from this. I feel like the same thing I go on with Cardi. You know what I mean? Rihanna maybe the same, even Drake. All of them would do it. I feel like them do it out of love. Cause we all know how we industry set as a dancehall industry. We're not really, you know what I mean, we're not that structured and organized where it's that profitable and lucrative for artists on them the level there. Never for we, much less on them. You know what I mean? So everybody would do it and big us up. We think out of love. Now me I say Cardi nervous because Cardi don't want to mess up that. Cardi don't want to know say she love dancehall all her life, and then when she get a shot, it don't really turn out like how it's supposed to turn out. You see what me I say? So I feel like that's where it come from. I might wrong, but me I say this is my opinion, people. If you don't have any idea why she would have nervous about doing dancehall, you know what I mean, put it down in the comment section. But anyway, big up Cardi B for even thinking like, yo, me I gotta do a song with Spice. Me want to do a song with Spice. She loves Spice from time. You see me I say, when do the relationship, right? Big up Cardi B and big up Spice. Now, people, we are gonna move on and we are gonna talk about Jada Kingdom. So Jada Kingdom give us some more of the GPP song. Now, me go post the song, but it might be copyrighted in a couple of days. I don't know. They might get me in a trouble. But I don't care. I want to know if you hear it. You see what I say? Me love the song. And at the first, I hear so much of the song. It's still not released yet. But we have some of the song and it go way past the hook and actually in the second verse. So We are here what go on in a GPP. I have the video, I'll play it for you right now. So take a listen to this. Here goes.
I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing in common. My boom boom done good boy, and I'm madman. Now I got good to see problems with somebody good I want me. Don't send that text when you're hungry. You gonna regret it in the morning. Yeah, me know. You no stop text me, you no stop call me. Man, I roll me down and I stop me too regularly. Tell you don't text it for me. Man, I'm so sorry, cause me never want nobody, just some temporary.
Yeah, people, so when I think about what I hear so far, right? Most of the ladies that me ask, so me I say, even though it's evident, like everybody love the song, because me say she posts on her story all the time, and me see males will be like, yo, when the song will go drop and them make them one version of it, Conscience have a version of it. Like there was a video, you know what I mean? I think I actually have a video, so I'm going to play for that phone. Take a look at this. Here goes.
Auntie Jada. I'm going to let man now mad out boy at what do you? Girl link up, just want fun, then fuck run, mental breakdown, chip fry like pig, raw dog like pig, broken night like pig, heart broke like eggshell. When me did a look her, she a go on like she no woman. Like I'm just a little boy, she a go and take some par from. 1 foot, no I love, where the love start from. That you call good cocky problem.
Yeah, people, so like, you see it, Conscience have female one version of it, whether it's a counter-reaction, remix, or whatever you might call it, I don't know what it is yet, right? The man just hear the part there I sang, I probably even know the whole song because it's produced by The Genius. I don't know the relationship with Conscience and The Genius, though, but, you know, a music circle and all of them in the same place. I think it's in Florida, so more than likely, could I hear it, couldn't hear it, but, you know what I mean? The man do a part, then do a version. I wouldn't know if it's going to be official or what it's going to be, but me nah lie, the song have a buzz already. A long time I don't see nothing like this, people. People are go crazy for the song for off a snippet, like, you know what I mean? Thank God for TikTok and them thing they nowadays where you don't need the whole song. You just have a little piece of the song and you can shot from this. So you see me I say, so when it drop, we expect you to do great. You see what I say? And so far from what I hear, and one of them songs the way you might hear one little piece of the sound good and then the rest of it sound good. Because a lot of that go on TikTok. You see what I say? But I don't want to get what I say. Because enough song me hear a little piece, I'm going to look for it. And then when I hear the whole song, I say, nah, I just a part of the art. You see me I say, but I feel different about that song. Yeah. But people, like me say, you know what I mean, get in the comment section. Tell me what you think about, want to hear with Spice and Cardi. You see me I say, Nicki Baby Bump, all of that. You see me? I want to think about Jada Kingdom, GPP. You see what I say, people? So, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribed, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now, everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is. Wherever you are, stay safe out there. I'm out.